starts at 9:30 this morning. We're going to give you a preview when we return on the Fox 9 Morning News.
Of so many people outside, tens of thousands of people expected to take part in the annual Heart Walk in Minneapolis. They are raising money to help fight heart disease and stroke as well.
Yeah, as Todd Walker shows us this morning, there will be a lot of survivors and loved ones walking in memory of others. Good morning, Todd.
Hey, good morning, guys. You know, Fox 9 has been involved in this organization for a number of years, and we're committed to it. And today at 9:30, actually, Kelsey and Keith will be doing the kickoff, so we have a lot of us that are involved, and it's a great, great organization. The goal today is to raise $2.5 million. There'll be 20,000 walkers out here. It's been going on for 25 years. I've covered it for many, many, many years. But the event has changed a little bit this year, as they've involved a number of different partners. As we saw back here, we have a kidney. I'm going to ask Dan to turn around here. We have a kidney and we have a heart. And I'm here with Justin Bell from the American Heart Association. Good morning, Justin.
Good morning.
Justin, let's talk a little bit about some of the other organizations that are now part of this walk.
Yeah, this year we're celebrating our new mission statement, which is to be a relentless force for a world of longer and healthier lives. And that means we have to take a larger, broader view and a more holistic view of health. So we have our friends from the Colon Cancer Coalition and the Kidney Foundation, the Alzheimer's Association, all talking about a larger view on how to be healthier.
Okay, so Justin, we've been talking over the last half an hour, and I have to tell you, Sarah and Cody, I've learned a very interesting statistic here that health is not just determined by genetics. It's actually, you can determine the overall health of somebody by their zip code.
Yeah, we've been doubling down on what we call social determinants of health. All the data shows us that only about 20% of health is determined by your clinical care and your genetics, and 80% of your health is determined by where you live and how you live and where you work. So things like where you live, access to healthy food, transportation, education, employment. So if we really want to tackle these health issues, we have to have a broader view and really focus on these social determinants.
Very interesting. Thanks for joining us this morning, Justin.
Thanks so much.
All right, you know, what also is very interesting about these walks is you get to meet people that have such amazing stories, and I just ran into this couple here, and I asked them to share your story, and your name is?
Scott.
Scott and?
Heather.
Okay, so what brings you down here, and how has the American Heart Association impacted your life?
So we're here to honor our son, Nolan. He was born with some congenital heart defects, so this is our second year doing the Heart Walk. We have about 60 people here today to walk with Nolan.
Terrific, and you've also raised money for this event in the past, too.
Yeah, so our team this year, we beat our goal of $5,000. Last year we raised about $2,000, so every year our goal is just to keep increasing over and over.
And you would encourage people, rain or shine, come on down.
Absolutely, rain or shine. Bring your red ponchos. They're $2 at Target. Life will be great. It'll be fun.
I agree. It's definitely a great cause and great organization. Thanks for joining us this morning, guys. So remember, the race starts this morning, or the walk starts this morning at 9:30. Kelsey and Keith are going to be down here getting everybody excited for this great walk. And seriously, if you're laying in bed right now and you're thinking, it's too cold, too rainy, it is not raining right now. And there's such a great energy level down here at the Target field. Get out, get a little bit of exercise in, and to start your day and support a great organization. All right, guys, I'm going to send it back to you. Have a great Saturday, and we'll see you guys tomorrow morning.
All right, sounds good. Thank you, Todd.